this is Lola. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a surprise unboxing. I wasn't expecting this Galen leather A5 cover until end of February or March, and I got it today. So I'm really excited about it. I'm really happy with my Kikuyo systemic cover for my Hobonichi, but I've been eyeing this cover for a while, and I got gift card. Let me move this a little bit so you're not at the edge of the table. So yeah, I wanted to see it, honestly. So I got it for myself with the Christmas gift card, and I'm really excited about it. So let's see. Okay, the amazing box that we've probably all seen in a lot of videos. I don't know what this is. Let's check it out. A tea and instant Turkish coffee, sugar-free. I like that. Thank you. That's really sweet. All right. I'm a little nervous. Oh wow. Okay, so I've seen that this is it's from Istanbul. And they always send the evil eye. I'm gonna put it up if you wanna look. Hold on, let's see if I can. There you go. If you wanna read it, you can pause it. It's a little story of the evil eye. And if you wanna read the story behind the store, here you go. Perfect. Excellent. Okay, a code for 10%. All right, let's check it out. I don't know why I'm so nervous because there's, oh my gosh, the smell. It smells so good, you guys. If I could, sorry, I had to smell it. That smells really good. So that's the elastic. The leather is actually softer than I expected, I have to admit. And I really like it. It looks like it doesn't mark super easily. And it has the sheen to it, kind of in a little bit. It reminds me, hold on, let's see if I can, sorry, it's really sunny outside. Not that one, let me see. It reminds me of the Shakespeare Weekly I got, as far as how shiny it is. You see, if you have, it's a very shiny leather, except that this one doesn't mark, I don't think it marks that easily. It's interesting. So it has these pockets, and then this is supposed to be for, I think, the Kindle, which I have one, but to be honest, I don't take it many places unless I'm traveling. Let's see. So I think you have the option, I think you're supposed to put in the elastic like this. I do have to say I kind of like seeing the cover. Probably because I put my photo in it for the cousin, but for I don't think I have, oh no, for the, never mind, I just digressed for nothing. So here you go. I just want to see how it looks like, because this is gonna probably be thicker than my, oops, sorry, than my usual Hobonichi, because I've been sticking stuff in it. Oh my gosh, that is so nice. That feels so luxurious, you guys. It's beautiful. And this is the pen loop. And now I feel bad for my Kikuyo systemic cover, because it feels like it's going to be abandoned for a little bit. Oh my gosh, that is so nice. Now, I've been using this, but no, that doesn't work really well. That's too big, because this is as A5 as well. Yeah, see, that one's not gonna work in there. Oh wow, that is really nice though. Let me see if I can put, I don't know, some stickers. This is the only thing that I remember thinking, what is this for? I guess it keeps it from flapping around. Yeah, see, that works. It feels very luxurious. I don't know, it feels really, really nice. I'm trying to, can you see how shiny it is? Do you see like the marks? Oh my gosh, I love it. It smells really good, really good. It really smells of leather, but You know, some covers have like a weird smell. This one does not. And it's funny, the closing, of course I looked at the Roter Fadden cover, but that's a little bit pricey. And to me, for some reason, this reminds me a little bit of this. This is so nice. I also like the idea that when this gets really thick, it'll keep it together, but it won't necessarily squish it. I was starting to see that the Kokuyo, because it was closing here and because it was a little bit bigger, it seemed to kind of crush it like this. And it's a weird thing to say. Oh my gosh, yeah, I love it. It's really beautiful. Yeah, it's really, really beautiful. Thank you, Galen Heather. Thank you so much. This is gorgeous. Love it. Well, that was my unboxing. I'm gonna start enjoying this for a little bit, and I hope everyone is having a beautiful day. Bye bye.